Hello guys, welcome to Staad Tutorials. In this session we'll be discussing about isolated footing. I'll be taking an example of previously designed building. Once we are done with the modeling and post-processing, we go to foundation design. There we select first all the load cases. We include all of them in the foundation design. Then select Run Start Foundation. You can see the foundation has been provided and the loads, movements are acting on it. Now we will go to job setup, but before that we need to create load combinations in order to design the footing. Since direct loads cannot be applied, we need to create a load combination in real life. What we'll do is we'll generate load combination, select Indian code, select generate load combination, generate load combination. We'll create generate load combinations for both service and ultimate loads. Then now we can go to job setup, create a new job, name it as isolated, whatever name you want. The job type should be isolated since we are providing isolated footings. The code should be Indian code since we are designing as per Indian code, and units are SI units, and supports are to be assigned to all these supports, all these things. We just need to include the load combinations. Now we select create job. Then you close this setup. Here you can see isolated footing job is been created. Select design parameters. You can see concrete and rebar. Here you need to provide information regarding concrete and the steel. Unit weight of concrete is 25 kilonewtons per meter cube. You can change it if it is different. All the parameters can be changed if it is different. Similarly, coming to cover and soil, the coverage provided is 50 mm. It is drain condition. Then going to footing and geometry, we select uniform thickness and calculate that. We say that to calculate dimensions for the computer, in which the software calculates the dimension of the footing. If we select set dimension, we need to provide these dimensions, and if we select fixed width, we can change it. But if we select fixed length, we fix the length of it. But we'll select calculate dimensions since we need the software to calculate the dimensions of our footing. We can even go by guess by selecting set dimensions. You can just change it. Now you can select set dimension. You can say then going to sliding and overturning, you have this information. If it is different, you can just type it down. Now final step is design. Select yes. Close this window. You can see the design of all the footings. Select new footing. The figure is being provided, the rebar, and this is the column. All the calculations are done. You can see the schedule drawing, detailed drawing, elevation. Then you can go to calculation sheet to see the calculations, the procedure to do doing the calculations. In this way, we design isolated footing. However, in order to view the output, you can go to select output. So you can view the output here. the footings numbers and the length and width, thickness of the footings, the reinforcement provided. We don't have pedestal reinforcement. In this way, design of isolated footing is carried out. In the next video, we will go through another type of footing. Thank you.